Here are 10 amazing uses for vitamin E oil. Use it straight from capsules or buy a bottle of oil instead. Fade stretch marks with a mix of sugar and a few drops of vitamin E oil. Massage it into the stretch marks 2 to 3 times a week to hydrate and nourish them. Watch your acne scars disappear with a mixture of half a cup of aloe vera gel and 1 vitamin E capsule. You can also use fresh aloe by cutting open a leaf, scooping out the gel and blending it with vitamin E oil. Make your own tinted brightening lip oil by blending a few drops of oil with beetroot juice. Apply this throughout the day to hydrate your lips and add a slight tint too. Dry, flaky skin, mix 1 to 2 drops of vitamin E with 10 drops of your favorite non-comedogenic carrier oil like almond or olive oil and apply it to your face as a night oil at the end of your skincare routine. Are oils too heavy for your skin? Add a drop of vitamin E to your favorite moisturizer and create an ultra hydrating night cream that will leave you with baby soft skin. Nourish your skin with a mask made of honey and vitamin E oil. Just apply it all over, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse for the ultimate glow. Want longer lashes and thicker brows? Combine 1/4 cup of castor oil with 1 vitamin E capsule and apply it to your lashes and brows with a spoolie to help condition and strengthen them. Boost your regular hair oil with the power of vitamin E. Add a few drops of it to the hair oil you normally use and massage it into your scalp and hair to increase hair growth. Banish dark circles with this 2-ingredient miracle juice. Blend together potato juice and vitamin E oil. Dab some onto your under eyes and let it work its magic. Fight pigmentation around your mouth or anywhere else on your face by putting a teaspoon of turmeric in 1/4 cup of vitamin E oil. Apply it to pigmented areas to help it fade away quickly. Check out more of our favorite natural ingredients and how to use them in these videos. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon too to be notified whenever we post a new video. You can also check out our amazing skincare products on Glamorous.com or on our YouTube store. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.